Umindri rangba konrat ke samla hakas Pynlait ula Pynlait ke installment beningkong jongko umbrella post matric scholarship bakandai pulai klur nyopo lak tingka na kabenta ki samla pule shell tribe jong usnem pule arja arpsan arja arpunriu na kabenta uni usnem pule kandai punri hojar praspak artli ki application na ki samla pule shell tribe na keleng ka Meghalaya la deben pinshisha da ka jingmang pulut baro lang bakot hispa kandai pupra klur saupo ar lak tingka ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs ka Sarkar India ka lapaktin bakabaha ka Sarkar Pdeng ka long prapusau klur sanpusan lak tingka pat ka Sarkar Jylla ka lapalaj 10% ka bha jongka kendai klur saupo lak tingka ban pintikna baganum dan ka jingpin slam baro lang kendai pulai klur riu spa kendai pupra lak tingka lapalaj kumka installment bandingkong syaki kendai punri wajar praswa arngut kinong yo binta na baro ki district lingba ka direct benefit transfer bet syaki bank account jong ki samla puli habakren ha kajing hilang bala penlong hasilong college uminti rangba uloong bagani kajing pelat kalong kampalat ya kapisa kadai ka bai school ka ban siuno hagapor ka bapiang kadai ka bai hostel ka bandum tenrong ya kajing kid hakilong yeng long sem kadai ka kod batiar puli ka baki samla puli kim dan kamshu ban khuslai bakin yo bat kadai ka buram bajar jar jong ki samla shinrang bat kin thai ki bala bakhadu bakin Pynlait chimut haki jing puli.
We are on the right path. We have started to take steps which are meaningful, which are decisive, which are rectifying foundational challenges and problems that existed in the education system. And today being able to structure it in a manner and then allow the system to flow so that slowly and steadily things fall into place. And when I talk like that, I know for some of you it may just sound like a really boring speech. But some of us who are in the education sector can understand what I'm talking about. And they will agree with me when I tell them that all of us who have been working on this, untangling these knots, can see what will happen in the next 5 years from now. I can see it. I can literally, vision what's going to happen in 5 years. I can see the next 10 years. I can see what's going to happen for the PGI. I can see what's going to happen when it comes to our teacher ratios. I can see what's going to happen when it comes to our science education, our higher secondary education. I can see how the colleges and higher technical education is going to go up, and I can foresee where we are going to go forward because we have laid those foundations now. We have untangled those knots. We have changed the structural problems that were there in the system to allow now the system to move in the right direction. And it's been a long journey. I don't want to get into what the problems were. But I do take this moment to really put my sense of appreciation and gratitude to all the people who have put in hours and hours, gone through the pressure of different stakeholders coming in and demanding different things. And one pulling you from this side, the other pulling you from this side, yet staying focused on what we are supposed to do and moving forward.